Welcome to my video on moms and resale rights. This is a resale rights vault video. There are millions of mothers who consider becoming stay-at-home moms. Unfortunately, many of those mothers do not take action. There are a number of different reasons for that. For some families, it is just impossible to survive on only one income. If you are interested in becoming a stay-at-home mom, you can do so, and generate an income at the same time. This can be done by acquiring the resale rights to a digital program. At any given time, there are a number of digital product developers who are working on creating a new product right now. Once that product has been created, the selling process should begin. The problem that many digital developers and designers face is that they do not know how to go about selling their products. They rely on someone else to do the selling for them. If you think that this sounds like a commission-based program, you are wrong. Before allowing an individual, someone just like you, to sell their products, most software designers and developers require that their products be purchased. Instead, you purchase the resale rights for the product. You can do just about whatever you want to the digital product. This not only includes selling it, but altering it to become something more. In fact, many stay-at-home moms, who participate in this type of opportunity, decide to alter the digital product in some way. Doing so often allows them to claim the program as their own. To make money from the new digital product, which you acquired the resale rights to, you will need to start selling that digital product. This selling is why this is the perfect opportunity for you and other stay-at-home moms. You can sell your digital product at your own pace. In fact, you can do as much work or as little work as you wish. The decision is completely yours to make. However, it is important to remember that the more work you do, the more money you will make. When it comes to selling private label products, the good news is that you have a number of different selling options. These options may include, but should not be limited to, the creation of a product website, the use of online auction websites, or the use of online classified ads. Like the business opportunity as a whole, these selling methods are ideal for those who are stay-at-home moms. Many of the above-mentioned selling methods do not require a large amount of work. In fact, a few hours a week may be more than enough time to get your website started, submit online classified ads, or start an auction on an online auction website. If you are interested in further examining resale rights products, there are a number of online resources like ReselleRightsVault.com. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and leave a comment. If you like my channel, please subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified.